All right, you guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to change the filter on a Roomba. You wanna do this ever so often. You'll notice probably within the first 3 or 4 months that your filter starts to look a little dirty. You can clean it a few times, but eventually you're gonna wanna go ahead and change it out. It's pretty simple. All you're gonna wanna do is slide the dustbin out. Once you slide that dustbin out, you'll see that this is where all the garbage and debris takes place. This one's already been emptied. You open this latch right here, and then this blue thing is your filter. Just gonna wanna slide that out. There's 2 tabs on there. You're gonna lift and slide out. And you can see here's the filter. It's pretty dirty. Very dirty, actually. And you can give this a wipe down. You can beat it up against the edge of your trash can for the first few times, and you take your new filter and replace it just as you pulled this one out, just like that. Most people do not ever end up really changing these things, particularly because, you know, it's just another thing you have to buy, and you know, people just forget it. You know, they say, well, the Roomba will be okay, they'll just pat it down. But this definitely will change the performance of your Roomba. You will notice, you know, there will come a day where it doesn't clean as good as it used to. And filters and brushes are necessary to be changed. But once you've replaced it with a new filter, which I did not, I just reinstalled the old one, you go ahead and close that and reinstall.